How to turn on air fryer. This is for people who have never used an air fryer before. I am using a Philips air fryer, but this is just a general one that usually when you get an air fryer, this is going to be the same process. So you'll have the air fryer here, then you'll have a plug, which what you're going to want to do is put that into a socket like so. So first of all, you want to make sure your air fryer is near a plug socket. Go ahead and plug it in. Then you want to make sure the plug socket is turned on by pressing the button like so. Then you will be able to go back to the air fryer. Don't worry, when doing that, like pressing the button on the socket, it doesn't mean it's turned on right now. You'll have to press the on button, which is this one here. That's the button you're looking out for, the symbol there, no matter what language you're using, etc. That's going to be the symbol button. Then you should see other things like controlling the temperature up and down. You got the timing. You want to look out for the timing icon. You can pick whichever settings you want for the meal that you're going to be cooking. Then what you want to do is go ahead and press that start button right there, and then you can see the timer on your air fryer should go down. Then all you want to do if you want to stop it, just go ahead and press it there to be able to stop it there. You can start it again if you want to, and you can turn it off by you pressing the turning on button again. Then all you want to do is just go ahead and open your air fryer. Hopefully you will see your meal cooked in there, and then all you want to do is put it back in again. Make sure you do clean it as well. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.